students, good morning all. Welcome back to your maths class and I am your maths teacher Mrs. Harpreet Kaur Kundi. I hope you understood our last lecture and you have done your project also. Now let's start today's lecture, that is symmetry. What is symmetry? Symmetry is a regular balanced arrangement on both sides of a line or around a point. Symmetry means a balanced arrangement. Suppose let's take an example of any figure, say triangle. If we divide this triangle into two parts, if both the parts are equal, then we can say that there is a symmetry. We divide it like this. Just see this side, this part and this portion is similar, looks like same. It is like a mirror image. Like अगर हम मिरर के सामने खड़े होते हैं और अपना फेस देखते हैं, एक्चुअल में जैसा हमारा इमेज है वैसे ही हमारा मिरर में शो होता है. सो दैट इज मिरर इमेज. इसी तरह सपोज दिस इज अ मिरर, दिस इज अ मिरर. Let me make it again. A triangle and suppose this is a mirror. जैसा एक्चुअल में है वैसा ही फेस उसका मिरर में रहेगा. सो both the parts are equal. What is saying? Symmetry is a regular balanced arrangement. Balanced means equal. बोथ साइड बैलेंस्ड अरेंजमेंट ऑन बोथ साइड्स. इस साइड और इस साइड दोनों बैलेंस्ड हैं, इक्वल हैं. बोथ साइड्स ऑफ अ लाइन और अराउंड अ पॉइंट. अराउंड अ पॉइंट मीन्स लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ सर्कल. दिस इज द सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल. सो इस सेंटर से वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दैट all the points are at equal distance. So balanced arrangement is there. Understand? So we have two kinds of symmetry. Types of symmetry. We have two types of symmetry. One is line symmetry and second is point symmetry. We will discuss one by one what is a line symmetry. Let's discuss line symmetry. The triangle has line symmetry as shown in the figure. We have discussed the line symmetry in triangle. A triangle has line symmetry. What is line symmetry? In which a figure has one half is equal to the other half. This half of triangle is equal to this half of triangle. It means triangle has line symmetry. एक लाइन ट्राइंगल को दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रही है. इट मीन्स दिस ट्राइंगल हैज लाइन सिमेट्री. What is line of symmetry? What is line of symmetry or axis of symmetry? As we have discussed now, triangle has line of symmetry because line divides it into equal parts, two equal parts. Line which drawn in the middle of the figure is known line of symmetry. जो किसी भी फिगर के मिडल में लाइन ड्रॉ की जाती है that is called line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. Let's take any other example. Say a square. We'll take square. This is a square. If we'll draw a line of symmetry like this, this part looks like this part, isn't it? Yes. So if we will draw a line like this whole part looks like this part. erase this line first, then only you will understand. This whole part looks like this part. So this figure also has line symmetry. This is square, so we can say square has line symmetry. So the next part is line of symmetry. A line drawn in the middle of the figure is known as line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. Understood? Now let us discuss how many lines of symmetry, number of lines. In this figure we have two lines of symmetry, one this side and one this side, because it divides into two parts from both the sides. Okay, next is point symmetry. What is point symmetry? The circle with center O is everywhere alike around that point. So this is known point symmetry. जैसे मैंने डिस्कस किया था पहले ही कि सर्कल में सेंटर पॉइंट होता है. फ्रॉम द सेंटर पॉइंट all the points are at equal distance. So all the points are at equal distance. So from this, around this point, इसके around has a point symmetry because everywhere symmetry है. कहीं पे भी कोई भी circle बना दो. Understand? So this is called point symmetry क्योंकि point from this point only we will consider all the points, and this is called center of symmetry. This center is known as center of symmetry. Okay, let's move further. Now let's start exercise 11.6, that is on page number 201, which is based on this line symmetry. So first question, open your book. First question is, draw the lines of symmetry on these figures. Okay, first question is, draw the lines of symmetry on these figures. So we have first figure, we can draw a line of symmetry like this, horizontal. You can see. Then if we will divide it like this also, you can check this side, this portion looks like this portion. So we have two lines of symmetry. Got it? Okay, now next figure is, if we will divide it like this, you just see eyes are made on this portion, but here we don't have eyes. So we can't divide it like this. We will divide it like this. We can do it because half portion looks like this other half portion. Got it? Next part. C part is, if we divide it like this, look at this portion. Above portion is not similar as the lower one. But if we divide it like this, it looks the similar. This portion looks like this portion. Same, divide it like this. Next question, next part. This is triangle. This way. If we divide it like this also, and if we divide it like this also, this is called equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means जिसकी सारी sides equal होती हैं. इसके 3 sides हैं तो तीनों sides equal हैं, तो 3 sides means 3 lines of symmetry. इसमें हमारे पास 3 मिलेंगी, 1, 2 and 3. 3 lines of symmetry. Next is square. One line this side and second line this side. So we have 2 lines of symmetry. Next figure, we can divide it like this. This side, this portion is equals to this portion. Next, divide it like this. Upper portion and lower portion both are similar. Now we can divide it like this also. This side and this side, both the sides are equal. Next, we can divide it like this also. ऊपर और नीचे दोनों सेम हो रहे हैं. And here also. Understand? Next, and this way. Understood? Next is draw all the possible lines of symmetry for the alphabets given below. Okay, listen students. The question number 1, you will draw it in your notebook. Figures you will draw first, then you will draw lines. Neat and clean figures should be drawn. Understand? Now let's do the question number 2. Let's do the question number 2, that is draw all possible lines of symmetry for the alphabets given below. First is, first of all I will write all the alphabets, then we will make lines. E, F, K, V, M, Y, X. So these are the alphabets given in the question. Now let's make lines of symmetry. See, can we draw a line like this? No, because this portion does not look like this. But if we will draw like this, so upper portion looks like the lower portion. Understand? Next is E. Again, we can draw like this. So, upper half is equals to the lower half. Next is F. If we draw it like this, upper half looks like the lower half? No. So we can't draw like this. Can we draw like this? No. It does not have no line of symmetry. So we will write no line of symmetry. F की कोई line of symmetry नहीं होती. Next is I. I is like this. Both the portion look similar, and this way also. Both the portion looks similar. Next K. Upper portion and the lower portion both are equal. Next is V. Vertical line. Next M. This way. Y. Yes. Next is X. This way and according to this. Yes. This was your second question. Next question is question number 3. List all the letters. List all the letters of English alphabet which have no line of symmetry. Which have no line of symmetry. Now we have to write all those alphabets which have no line of symmetry. As we have discussed in question number 2, one alphabet was there. Which was that जिसमें हमने लिखा था no line of symmetry? F. Yes. So F, one is F, G. You make line, there is no possible line of symmetry. J, P, Q, R, N, S and Z. So these are the alphabets which have no line of symmetry. You try it, there is no possible line of symmetry. Just see, अगर हम इसको हाफ डिवाइड करते हैं, दिस पोर्शन डज नॉट लुक लाइक दिस. ऊपर वाला और नीचे वाला पोर्शन दोनों सेम नहीं है. एंड जे ऑल्सो अगर ऐसे डिवाइड करेंगे, बोथ द पोर्शंस आर नॉट इक्वल. इफ यू डिवाइड इट लाइक दिस, बोथ साइड्स आर नॉट इक्वल. Same way you can try for all the letters. So in English alphabet, letters, which are the letters? These are the letters which have no line of symmetry. Except these letters, all letters of English alphabets have line of symmetry. किसी में 1 है, किसी में 2 है. Okay. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is, draw lines of symmetry for the following figures. First part, figure is given, so we can draw it like this. Okay. B part, we can draw line like this. You can see upper portion looks similar as the lower portion. So if we draw line like this, this portion also similar to this portion. C part, this side and horizontal line of symmetry. D part, it will come like this. You just see this portion looks like similar to this portion. So both the portions are similar. So E part this way and this way. F is this way. Make a straight line. Understand? You can use your scale. So like this, use a scale and put a straight line. It will look nice. Understand? Like this. Okay. Next is, so you will draw all these figures in your copy, then you will draw lines of symmetry. Understood? Okay, we have done today 11.6 and basics of symmetry, and in this lecture we have done symmetry, line of symmetry and various examples and exercise also. We have understood two sides of symmetry, like if we have this figure, so in this figure we can draw one line of symmetry like this and one like this. So this side अगर हम लाइन ऐसे ड्रॉ करते हैं, this, so this is called horizontal line of symmetry. And if we draw a line like this, this is vertical, in a standing position, vertical line of symmetry. Understood? So whenever you draw a line, so you will speak like this: one horizontal line of symmetry, one vertical line of symmetry. Understood? So this was all about your chapter 11. I know one question is left. I told you to arrange your compass, scale and pencil. Yes, so we will do that question in next lecture. Till then, you revise this chapter and revise this exercise. Otherwise, our chapter is complete. So we will start now test also of this chapter. Do this exercise in your notebook. Understand? If you will not understand, you are not understanding any sum or any topic, you just let me know. I will explain it again. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.